Sixth grade science test, types of rocks. Number 1, igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks have similar formation in that they both A. require extreme heat, B. always form from sediments, C. cool to form distinct layers, D. often contain fossil organisms. 2. Geologists might recognize a metamorphic rock by distorted, wavy layers because they were caused by A. compaction and cementation, B. melting and crystallizing, C. erosion and deposition, D. pressure and heat. 3. Sedimentary rocks often contain horizontal layers because they are formed by the A. deposition of sediment, B. movement of tectonic plates, C. heating of organisms, D. cooling of melted rock. 4. Which of the following is one of the final processes in the formation of sedimentary rock? A. melting, B. cementation, C. flowing, D. separation. 5. Rocks are classified by A. how they were formed, B. when they were formed, C. where they were formed, or D. their color when formed. 6. Igneous rock forms in regions where A. rock is heated to melting point, then cooled to a solid. B. metallic minerals are put under extreme pressure. C. a river deposits sand and mud over a long time. D. evidence of organisms is becoming fossilized. Number 7. What is the primary process that turns sediments into sedimentary rocks? A. organisms walking on layers of sediment, pressing particles together tightly. B. minerals within sediment absorbing water and undergoing a chemical reaction. C. upper layers of sediment pressing down on lower layers of deposited sediment. D. magma cooling under the surface of Earth, crystallizing to form rock. Number 8. The interlocking crystals of an igneous rock help to classify it since these crystals are evidence of how the rock formed. The crystals are a result of A. quartz coming out of solution, B. particles forming layers, C. chemical reactions of minerals, D. melted rock that cooled. Number 9. In order for a rock to be classified as igneous, what must have happened during its formation? A. solid rock changing under pressure, B. liquid rock changing its physical state, C. small rocks becoming cemented together, D. layered rock breaking into smaller pieces. Number 10. Sedimentary rock can be changed into metamorphic rock if it is A. weathered and eroded by ocean waves, B. exposed to extreme heat underground, C. broken down by heating and cooling, D. cemented with minerals carried in water. Number 11. Sedimentary rocks will most likely form an environment where A. two land masses are colliding, B. liquid rock is hardening into a solid, C. minerals are being created under pressure, D. particles of rocks are accumulating. Number 12. The presence of igneous rocks might be evidence of A. Organisms, B. Deposition, C. Coal, D. Volcanoes. Number 13. Igneous rock can be changed into sedimentary rock when igneous rocks A. that form mountains get pushed together, B. are weathered and the fragments deposited, C. melt to form layers of different minerals, D. put out by volcanoes create new land. Number 14, which of the following processes might be one of the first steps in the formation of sedimentary rock? A. Glaciers breaking down rock. B. Liquid magma cooling and hardening. C. Rock melting deep underground. D. Minerals changing due to pressure. Number 15. Sedimentary rock can contain evidence of life because of all the following are properties of sedimentary rock except A. It can be made from mud. B. It is created under the ocean. C. It is formed by melting rock. D. It can contain organic material. Number 16. Which of the following best describes the processes that form igneous rocks? A. Deposition and cementation. B. Heating and extreme pressure. C. Crystallization and solidification. D. Erosion and compaction. Number 17. Which of the following features of a rock would classify it as definitely an igneous rock? A. Began its formation process millions of years in the past. B. Created through slow, naturally occurring processes. C. Formed when minerals were heated, then cooled. D. Resulted from liquid rock being ejected from a volcano. Number 18. Sedimentary rocks can have layers of different colors. This occurs when A. Molten rock seeps into large cracks underground. B. Extreme pressure causes minerals to separate. C. Different minerals are deposited at different times. D. Seasonal patterns change the rate of erosion. Number 19. Metamorphic rocks are different from igneous and sedimentary rocks in that metamorphic rocks form A. When liquid rock freezes into a solid. B. By magma rising from Earth's core. C. From existing rock that has been changed. D. By layering minerals of different sizes. Number 20. Sedimentary rock can be changed into igneous rock if sediments are A. Compacted, B. Deposited, C. Weathered, D. Melted. Number 21. All of the following processes are the ones that lead directly to the formation of sedimentary rock except A. Deposition of rock fragments, freezing of water in cracks in rock, melting of rock deep underground, or D, movement of wind that carries earth material? Number 22, metamorphic rock forms where any kind of rock, A, is crystallized after being liquid rock, B, contains fossils of marine organisms, C, is changed by the extreme heat and pressure, D, is composed of cemented sediment. Number 23, igneous and sedimentary rocks could each be changed into metamorphic rock if they are changed by A, weathering, B, organisms, C, pressure, D, cementation. Number 24, scientists classify igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks based on their A, shape, B, color, C, formation, D, usefulness. Number 25. In order to be classified as metamorphic, a rock must have A, magma cooling underground, B, changed with heat and pressure, C, compacted sediment into layers, D, formed in less than 100 years. End of test.